What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to Alternation. Santa passed, left us all kind of sweet little goodies. Got me a cameraman today, which is pretty awesome. Michaela's on the camera for us. But it is actually super cold outside, and it's snowing. It just started snowing, so we're gonna bring the Jeep in, and we're gonna work on our budget build. We got a few things that we'll do today, and maybe roll into some stuff maybe later. I don't know, it's getting kind of late in the day. It's already 1 o'clock. We'll see. But yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and get started with that. Let's get the Jeep in here. Cold out there.
Yeah, it is.
So we're doing I guess a couple of videos on the Jeep, the JT. We're gonna do like some budget build stuff. You know, it's cool because it's an off-road vehicle. I don't really use it for that, but we just want to be able to use it for fun stuff. You know, camping on the weekends, kind of just trail riding here and there. But just to show you that, just because it's a Jeep doesn't mean that it has to be, an extreme rock crawling machine. It can still just be a fun family vehicle. So we got some more videos coming, got some other things going on. But today we're going to be installing a Bulletproof phone mounting system. We'll go ahead and get this unboxed. So after doing some research, I decided to go with the Bulletproof just because it was a lot of good reviews. And it comes with cool stickers and stuff too. There was a lot of good reviews, and this one actually offered a mounting system where I could use it for my phone as well as the GoPro. So, and it all mounts on the dash pretty securely, and looks like it's gonna do very well. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. It's all metal components, and the arm is carbon fiber. Wow, that's super nice. So yeah, I mean, it comes with everything you need. The tools to install it, the mounting system. It even comes with stuff for your cameras if you're gonna use. We'll be using GoPro, but yeah, that's pretty sweet. And it even comes with this sweet bullet that goes as a bottle opener. Wow, that's pretty cool. Bulletproof mounting solution. I like it. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything prepped inside, and we'll get this installed. Shouldn't take long, a couple minutes. All right. So they make a couple different styles. I went with the driver side. So it's gonna mount right here on this driver side. Up here on the dash, you gotta remove this little rubber deal. I think that we'll probably trim it. I've seen some people do the videos where they trim it, and so we can reinstall that. But for now, we'll just leave it out. It also has the sticky tape where you can adhesive it down, but I'm probably not gonna do that either. It looks like it's plenty secure, just like that. So they got some screws up here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Here it is. Right here. And that's where it's going to screw out. And, yeah, right here. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out and get this thing mounted down. So we're going to go ahead and get that screw out. Place our mount right there where it goes. And we'll put the same screw back in. Secure it down. Snug down. Oh yeah, that thing's solid. Nice. And that's it for that. They have all these extra screws where you can screw it down more. I really don't think it's necessary. Like I said, this is a daily driver, not a off-road machine. So I think we'll be fine just the way it is. So you got the ball mount. So it's kind of like ram mounts. You just loosen these up, slide it on there. Get the jaws open enough. There we go. Snug that up. Okay, and then we'll put the phone mount. This is pretty cool. And it's just a spring load, right? Pretty common. Same thing, we'll open up the ball mount. Slide that in there. Snug it down. Sweet. Cool. All right, we'll go ahead and put the GoPro mount on next. So it's gonna function the same way, just a little clamp. So we'll just go ahead and get it set up on there, because that'll probably be the only thing that I'll ever use in here is the GoPro. No other camera devices. So we just snug that on there. There we go. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, that thing's pretty solid too. That's perfect. So then you can just adjust, I guess, however high you want it or where you want your mount kind of positioned. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my phone in there so we can kind of see. There we go. So you can turn, you know, your phone position different ways, and you still have your field of view is not hampered too bad. And you can also lay this down some more, I think. Yeah. And then you can position it however you'd like to maintain your field of view, which you can kind of see here. That's cool. I like that. You can still see the road. It's not really in the way, but it's easily accessible. You can drive with one hand and flip your buttons and whatnots. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, simple mounting solution. It's super sturdy. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere. And like I said, it's pretty adjustable. You can mount your GoPro and stuff on here too for your driving shots and whatnot. But I know this was just a quick, simple video. After we drive it for a little bit, we'll get some, I guess, some input on how it performs and how it lasts. I don't doubt that it will last. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, it's American made, and it says it's bulletproof, so it should last. But yeah, thanks for checking us out. Stay tuned. Next couple of weeks or so, we have some more pretty awesome Jeep videos coming up. Working on this budget build. We're gonna get this thing up in the air and see how it rides. All right, catch you later. Still too cold. We'll stay inside for a while.